You're not selfish for wanting more. You're smart. People like us, we're givers. We hold it all together, show up every day, and put everyone else first. But here's the truth, no one says it out loud. Gratitude and ambition can exist together. You can be deeply thankful and still build something more. The Legacy Builder Blueprint isn't just another course. It's a guide for caregivers, nurturers, and everyday people who want to create an income from home without the guilt. Inside the blueprint, you will learn how to start earning online with simple daily actions. Create a flexible routine that fits caregiving. Build stability for your family and yourself. You don't need to choose between caring for others and building a better life. You deserve both. If you want to learn more and join the Legacy Builder Blueprint, please visit my website or send me a DM or email or just drop a comment on this video. And let's build your legacy one peaceful step at a time.